Racing just is started. We have Kiss Me. First to show quickness start. Touch of class is done on the inside. The force Loretta. Bagong Barrio comes next. Friendly Fire while Suburban is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Touch of Class by our length and a half. Kiss Me in second. Moving up on the outside, third Loretta. The force is done on the inside. Fourth alongside Pip comes Bagong Barrio, Friendly Fire while Suburban is still running at the tail of the field. Half mile distance they traveled with Touch of Class. Kiss Me joining them now on the outside is Loretta. Bagong Barrio comes next, then comes the Force. Friendly Fire also moving up while Suburban is still racing in last inside the 3 octavo. We have Kiss Me, Loretta is on the outside, then here comes Friendly Fire moving up on the outside. The Force is done on the inside. Bagong Barrio comes next. Touch of Class while Suburban is still running at the tail of the field, and they are now entering the home stretch. Bunch of entries are now firing out for the lead. The Force by our length and a half. Loretta, Friendly Fire, Kiss Me is down on the inside. Bagong Barrio in the middle portion. Last 100 meters we have Loretta. Bagong Barrio is down on the inside. Loretta followed now by Bagong Barrio, and finally Loretta, Bagong Barrio, Kiss Me, Friendly Fire, then comes the Force, Suburban, and Touch of Class.
6-7 lang ang klaro.
Kom, peram ng term. Ayaw na. Ayaw na. Break na tayo.